In 3 months, my A1C went from 10.8 to 7.5 on the Mastering Diabetes program. My weight had dropped to about 98 pounds. After getting on the program, I've been able to get my weight up to 108 pounds. My fasting blood sugar was like 450 or probably higher because that's as high as the gauge will show. After 3 months, now my fasting blood sugar's in the low 90s. When my doctor declared that I had type 1 diabetes, my father had that late onset as well. So I wasn't completely shocked, but I still was shocked because I was like always trying to live a healthy lifestyle. That sort of spiraled for me emotionally and physically, just being on a roller coaster from there. What I first tried to do was handle this with diet. And she prescribed a very high protein, high fat diet and cutting out all carbs. And prior to that, I was vegetarian. So it didn't really resonate with me at all, but I did stay on it for a year to 2 years. I had seen the Mastering Diabetes program when I was on the other diet, and it kept kind of pulling me that way. I was like, I really want to learn more about this. So at that point, I was like going to embrace that because that is the way I wanted to eat. I wanted to eat carbs and not all this meat. And it just didn't resonate with me eating that way. So I joined the program, and wow, there is just so much else in the program, so much additional support and help and advice. It's unbelievable. There are just wonderful classes. I've learned so much. It's so educational, and I can do everything on my own time. I can't believe like how much the coaches and the other people in the program just want to help you, and they have such great advice. And you can ask anything. You can be in the group office hours for the different coaches, and you just pop on there, and I every time learn so much. I mean, I don't even have to ask a question or participate. I can just sit and listen to other people's questions and be like, oh yeah, I'm always learning something. I really look forward to how much more I can gain from the Mastering Diabetes program. I know that I will definitely benefit from just continuing to plug in there and, on a daily basis, just check in, see what classes they have going on. And you can always watch replays, and obviously the food is a big part of it, and the recipes are amazing. So I love that because I really don't like to cook, and I don't wing it and like throw things together. It's been really good. The meals are delicious. So it's not like, oh, this is healthy, boring healthy. I'll be like, this tastes so good. And it tastes really healthy, but in a good way. In 3 months, my A1C went from 10.8 to 7.5 on the Mastering Diabetes program. Before I started the Mastering Diabetes program, my weight had dropped to about 98 pounds. And that was surprising to me. I was like, what is going on? This isn't right. I'm just not feeling good. And after getting on the program, I've been able to get my weight up to 108 pounds, which is definitely more where I should be. So that has been really great. Before the Mastering Diabetes program, my fasting blood sugar was like 450 or probably higher because that's as high as the gauge will show. So that was when I had like blurry vision and numbness. And then I got on the program, and after 3 months, now my fasting blood sugar's in the low 90s. So before, when I was eating more paleo or just having meat and vegetables every meal to keep my blood sugar steady, I was probably, I don't know, having like 50 carbs a day, maybe. And now I probably have about 400 carbs a day because I'm having like 100 carbs a meal and snacks and fruit and potatoes, which is my favorite food. And I couldn't have that before. It's amazing to me. Beans, quinoa was something that really bothered me. It would feel like a knife in my stomach when I ate quinoa. And now in this program, I learned that I can soak the quinoa, and I have quinoa in so many meals. delicious and I feel great. I have no problems with it. And I'm just amazed at how many carbs I can eat. And the meals are delicious and so satisfying. And I'm not feeling like I'm restricted and I can't have fruit, which is so healthy and wonderful, and potatoes and beans and all that. So that has really been wonderful. Thanks to this program, now I feel like I can continue my active lifestyle, which is very important to me, and being outdoors, not feeling like, oh my gosh, I have to stay in and be like, just, quiet and sitting around and not doing things that will bring my blood sugar down. So before I was like just afraid to go out and do those things. And now I can be active and it's just more predictable and manageable. And I've gotten, good tips about what to take with me when I exercise and what things will just raise me a little bit and to know to wait a little. And just, I feel like I can do this. And the program is why. I mean, I really owe it to being part of this program. It's really saved me and my lifestyle and just my happiness and with my life and being able to accept this and move on and keep moving. On this program, I do not feel limited the way I did before when it was strictly meat and vegetables, no carbs. There was so many restrictions, like with the rice and the beans and things that I really like, potatoes. I couldn't have any of that. And on this program, I don't feel that way. I feel like it's an abundance of healthy, fresh food. It just resonates with me. I love it. And so, yeah, I just highly recommend it. It is so good. Everything tastes so healthy and fresh. And yeah, it just makes me smile when I have my meal and I love the taste of it. I'm relieved. Mastering diabetes truly has saved me. I know I haven't been in the program that long, but I was like really a mess emotionally and physically too. And I feel like I pulled myself out of that with their help. And I have a positive outlook now. And I know that I'll just get better. So I'm looking forward to seeing where I go. I'm ready for it and it feels good. So I've been there on the fence about joining and I wouldn't wait another minute. I wish I had done it sooner. But I'm so thrilled that I did do it now and that I'm in it and I will stay in it and for my health. So for your health, please, I hope that I have helped anybody that is in a similar situation and on the fence to know that there are no regrets. And that is the best decision you can make for yourself is to join the Mastering Diabetes program and take advantage of all they have to offer. It's really endless. I mean, I just can't get over how important it is and what a great program it is.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes meal guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.